Kara trying to do fun math homework.
Hmm?
Kara trying to do homework. How interesting.
Anyway, something about 4x, oh yeah.
I don't think she gets it at all.
Yes, I do.
Ignore her. Yeah, they make you want me too, Kara. It's like Laura. You're gonna be here 20 more. Like your son. Son right here.
Come on, do homework.
I think she's trying to do homework. I don't know how well it's working, but at least she's trying. I have to give her credit for that. Unlike everything else.
What?
I'm seeing you like sitting here like pen. The black superstar, the best of both worlds. There's something you rock at the show. Unlike Kara, she doesn't have the best of both worlds. She only has the best of one world, of Kara Portman. She's not even paying attention. Unlike Kara, Fatso, and she's always eating. So apparently she's not today. Well, she was, but yeah. Kara, you're a snot rocket. Haha, Kara.
What?
You're a snot rocket.
Oh, okay, cool.
I think she's too engrossed in doing that homework. And she hates that class and she's skipping it. It's supposed to be right now, and it's 2:04. Like, they really care, Kara.